Hi, Geordie Dave here. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do Eddie Stobart issue 122. So before we do that, I'm going to give you a bit of an something about a little bit of future of my channel. As some of you know, we're waiting to try to move, so I've got a lot of stuff packed away. So I've noticed with the next 4 issues that come, there's the curtain sides. I know there's work to do on them and all that, but I'm not going to open them issues. I'm going to keep them folded till it's either it comes to put them on the wagon before I move, or they're packed up ready for moving and don't get damaged. So I hope people understand that. So I'll probably skip 123 and 124 and do the next bits, which is the metal bits that go on the top, which I can put them on because it's going to make the trailer a lot more rigid for us moving it. So I hope you understand the reason why I'm doing that. As I say, I don't want to get the curtains damaged. I'll put them on when I've got to put them on, but if not, I'm going to try and leave them in the package until at least I move. I will when I do get, so I will show you them getting built. Well, one getting built. I'm not going to do the 2 of them on. It's not worth it. Just show you one, then you'll know what it's like. So so if you're enjoying these, please don't forget, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps with other videos. Another little update, I am going to start on the Nissan Skyline. I'm getting the first 2 parts, and then some will come this month, so I might try and get that started. As I said, a lot of it's depending on how quick the council's going to be getting us somewhere. We're putting in every week. It's just wait. So I'll stop rabbiting on, and let's see, 122. We'll have a look at the magazine, then we'll look at the port, and then I'll bring the trailer in, and we'll get that done. So back at a tick. Okay, the magazine. 122. We're getting the front trailer panel, and we're going to fit it. So not much to do on this. Okay, the Eddie Stobart store. Masters of marketing. When trains were pulled by steam locomotives, people waved at the drivers as the trains passed by and received a wave in return. Edward Stobart recreated this tradition with his truck drivers. You wave at an Eddie Stobart truck driver, he'll wave back to you. Don't know that have been took over though. Right, on the road. DAF, iconic truck mark. Dutch company DAF is one of the world's most highly respected truck builders. Its light, medium and heavy duty vehicles form an integral part of the many truck fleets across the globe. So there you go, all the DAF trucks. As I say, coming in issue 123, left curtain side tarpaulin. The Eddie Stobart story, city slickers. On the road is Tata Motors, Indian's #1 truck builder. So that's what we'll get next week. I'm not building them at the moment, so I'm going to go and get the trailer. Find me screwdriver. No, we'll have a look at the part first. So that's the part, that next set of screws. So go and get a trailer, get it put on, and that'll be that. So back in a tick. Okay, I'm getting that on, and just it clips on nice and easy, and then it screws on. So I forgot to hit the record button. I've been chatting away to you. I just realised I wasn't recording, so I put them 2 in. So I'll let you see us put these 2 in, and when I realised I wasn't recording, I was chatting and chatting away, and I what? I'm not bloody recording. But so that's that. Little final screw in here. My hands are starting to be Mr. Shakies. Don't twist them because it's plastic into plastic. That's on there. Can I move it so you can see? So that's as much as I can give you at the front. Hopefully, when I have got another 2 webcams, thanks to Stephen Webster. But I've got them packed up for when I move. So when I move, I'm going to hopefully have, as well as this, I'm going to have a camera on a tripod so I can show you different angles. But you know, these are things that are going to happen in the future. So, but if you look at the magazine, that's what it's like on the truck. It's on. Let's see, next week is supposed to be the curtain sides. Well, the next 2 issues, I ain't doing them. I'm going to do the final 2 issues, which will be a bar that'll go on one side, and then next month there's a bar to go on the other side. And, you know, not much more to do. So, all I can say is I hope you've enjoyed the build, and thank you for watching. Yeah, these are big things and they're getting hard to fit on benches, but we, you know, we persevere, and I'll catch you again next week. So bye for now.